How do you install Legrand Adorne dimmers when you do not have a neutral wire?
IT says you don't need one, but the internet says you do.
Product: Adorne SofTap Magnesium 700 watt wall dimmer.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is. I will be happy to assist you with your electrical question. 1. This dimmer model requires a white neutral wire connection inside the wall box. Not all wall switch boxes contain a white neutral wire. If a neutral wire is not present in the existing wall box, this dimmer will not work. The link shown below under and quote, top resources and quote, and instructions clearly shows that a neutral wire is required for this dimmer switch. http://www.legrand.a/adorne/products/dimmers/op703tum4.asks2. If the wall box was wired using conduit, a white neutral wire can be pulled into the box. If the existing wiring was installed using NM-Romex cable or some other type of cable, then a new electrical cable that contains a white neutral wire will need to be installed. The neutral conductor will then need to be spliced to a neutral conductor that resides on the same circuit. 3. If no neutral wire is present in the wall box, or if it is not feasible to install a neutral wire, the only other option is to purchase a dimmer switch that does not require a neutral connection. The home improvement stores sell numerous dimmer switch models that DON and number 39T require a neutral connection.
Wow, that was quick.
Okay, I don't see the specific notation on requiring neutral.
Where is that spec so I can find one that works without and return these? Is it possible that they simply didn't use the neutral and I don't know how to identify it? There are a number of bundles wires in the gang. Is it possible that there is a neutral in the conduit but it is not being used as there was just a switch installed prior?
Here is a pic.
The house is about 20 years old but modern wiring is present.
Thoughts?
Thanks for the pic and number 39S. 1. Inside the wall box, you have a bundle of white neutral conductors that are spliced together. Those are the neutral conductors for the circuit. Make up a small 6 and quat, white insulated pigtail wire using the same wire size that the existing neutrals are. Splice the pigtail to the existing neutral bundle and then terminate the other end to the dimmer neutral connection. 2. Section number 1 on the instruction sheet shows a diagram and verbiage that a neutral wire is required. Reply back to me and let me know how you make out and we can take it from there if necessary. Thanks. Kevin.
Cool, so they are there. Houses never come with instructions.
Huh. I lost my light, so we'll check in the morning. Thanks, Kev.
No problem, glad to assist. 1. If the bundle of neutrals are all white wires and no other wire colors spliced to them, then those are the neutrals. Yes, they are there. You lucked out since not all wall switch boxes contain a neutral. 2. If you ever come across a bundle of black wires that has a white wire spliced to it, then that white wire is not a neutral but is acting as a hot wire to feed a wall switch. This is common on NM-Romex cable wiring, but not code compliant if wired with EMT metal conduit. This is how you can tell the difference if a true neutral wire or not. Another method to confirm is to use a 2-wire lead AC voltage tester or an AC voltmeter and confirm for 120 volts from the white neutral to a black hot wire. Reply back to me in the morning and let me know if all is working okay. In the meantime, have a good evening and we in number 39, LL catch up with you tomorrow. Thanks. Kevin. If you have any additional questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, Don and Risquo, forget to rate me before you log off. Thanks. Kevin. If you have any additional questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, Don and Risquo, forget to rate me before you log off. Thanks. Kevin. If you have any additional questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, Don and Risquo, forget to rate me before you log off. Thanks. Kevin. If you have any additional questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, Don and Risquo, forget to rate me before you log off. Thanks. Kevin. If you have any additional questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, Don and Risquo, forget to rate me before you log off. Thanks. Kevin. If you have any additional questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, Don and Risquo, forget to rate me before you log off. Thanks. Kevin. Thank you for the positive service rating as well as the bonus. Both are very much appreciated. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Take care and have a great weekend. Thanks again. Kevin.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.